For your shoulder airplanes, to work on the shoulder stability and strength when your hand is on the ground, something called a closed chain exercise. Both hands are going to be down on the ground. You're going to start on your knees, and then you're going to walk your toes back so that you start in a nice high plank. For the high plank, we want to make sure that we are keeping our rib cage stacked over top of our pelvis in a horizontal manner by engaging that core about 50% of your force. You can also squeeze your butt cheeks a little bit, and I want you to push the floor away as well so that we have a nice stacked position. With your hands underneath your shoulder joints, you're going to shift all the weight to one side as you rotate the other arm towards the ceiling, and watch what happened to my feet where they went ahead and twisted so that my edges of the feet are now contacting the floor. Bring that arm back to the starting position. Go ahead and make the shift to the other side, really pushing the floor away, feeling all of the muscles in the shoulder work to make this happen. Another good thing to note is that you really want to make sure when you're in the shoulder airplane position that your shoulder is stacked over your elbow, is stacked over top of your wrist, so that we aren't hanging on any of our joints. Hand comes back, switch to the other side, so on and so forth. If holding that plank is a little bit too difficult for you, we can regress it a little bit by doing the same movement on the edge of a bench or a chair or a couch. Same things apply where I am placing my hands onto the top of the bench, lifting one hand up, rotating it towards the ceiling, allowing my feet to also rotate with me, making sure my shoulder is above my elbow, which is above my wrist, bringing that back down to the bench, rotating to the other side.